This video shows backtesting for the last 30 years on 4% rule with funds invested in Vanguard, institutional index, VINIX, and Vanguard total bond funds. My hypothesis is to have 5 years of expected withdrawals in bonds may be sufficient to ride out the stock market volatility. Rest can be invested in stocks to maximize the returns. Historically, stocks returned 8% and bonds 3.85%. Initial assumptions are inflation at 3%, starting stocks value at $1.43 million, and bond funds at 370K. Starting withdrawal amount is at 72,000. 1.8 million multiplied by 4% is $72,000. All the withdrawals will happen from bond funds to account for spending, and every year where stocks return more than 4%, bond funds will be replenished in order to have 5 years of withdrawals always available in bond funds. This amount will be at 1.25 times that year's withdrawal amount. We'll be using last 30 years actual returns from Vanguard Institutional Index and Vanguard Total Bonds for this backtesting. So we'll be using stocks and bond returns from 1994 to 2023. Year 1 starts with 1.43 million in stocks, 370K in bonds, and ends with a return of 1.31% for stocks, with stocks total reaching to $1.44 million. And bonds return negative 2.66 to take bond funds to 288K. Please note that $72,000 is withdrawn from bond funds. Year 2 starting amount is 1.35 million with returns around 37.6%, taking the stock fund value to 1.86 million, and bond funds return 18%, taking total bond funds value to 359K. Please note that 74,000 is withdrawn from bond funds in the year 2. Year 7, 8, 9 are down years for stocks, so no replenishment to bond funds during those years. This is one of the reasons why I think we need to have 5 years of withdrawals in bond funds to allow for downtime as well as recovery. Like there is another down year which with a negative return of 36.95%. During that year also there won't be any replenishment into bond funds, but bonds return 5.05% during that year. With this approach, at the end of 30 years, we'll be left with $11.3 million in stocks and 591K in bonds. This backtesting validates that having only 5 years to be withdrawn amount in bond funds at any given time may be sufficient to take out the stock market volatility and increase total returns. Please note that I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own analysis before taking any actions based on the information presented in this video. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Thank you.